वैसा नहीं जो आदमी अपने आवाज़ को फ्लो कर सके, लेकिन फिर भी कई लोगों ने बहुत ही अच्छी कोशिश की। कई लोगों को जो प्रोफेशनल्स थे उन्होंने एडजस्ट किया, जो प्रोफेशनल नहीं थे उनको थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो गया, लेकिन हम जो जज कर रहे थे इसको बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से निभा रहे थे। आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे कलेंदर जी, प्लीज़?
First of all, I would like to congratulate each and every participant who has participated. It was a really, really tough job for us to judge all. At last, we had to decide it inside under closed doors. All I would like to say is that it was a really, really close competition, and it was very tough. That's why we had to segregate the prizes into English, Konkani, and Hindi because it was really tough. All right. Let's not waste some time. Let's declare the result.
Well, we start with the Little Champions Prize. Okay. And the prize goes to Leah Benny. Benny, she's come here? Okay, fine. We will always deliver. Miss Benny, Leah Benny. She has come. She is from the Little Champion category. There were two contestants, so she has won the prize. Well, we shall arrange to deliver it to them. I congratulate the Little Champion. And now we have the next prize it was a special prize for a duet. And they are quite lucky that they didn't have a competitor. But even if they had a competitor, I'm sure that they would have definitely won the prize. Because the way they sang this duet is mind-blowing. And mind you, even if you have missed the show for the last 2 days, we have all the videos uploaded on YouTube under youtube.com/Goa India Karaoke. You can listen to all the videos of. This is something novel that we have started. We have used the online media for our participants to get world-class fame. And last night, in fact, when I was uploading, at 1 o'clock, I get a call, to get a message in my inbox from Mr. Friend of mine from UK. I have not yet met him, but he's become an online friend. He's regularly watching all our videos, and he sent a message across to this wonderful. They said they are absolutely professional singers, sort of. And the next day, I came to know that there were some callers who wanted to basically provide a break to this duet specialist. Congratulations to Connie Quadras and the other gentleman, your partner, Melvin Dorado. So congratulations, Melvin and Connie Quadras. Please come over here, and I request one of our, Mr. Delbert, please give away the prizes. Yeah. And please take. He's a chief guest for the Delbert. You announce the Konkani prize. I'll give the comparative. Okay. Well, we had wonderful singing over here, and we ourselves were very surprised that such talent exists in Vasco. We are so very happy, and I think we should take this campaign not only in Vasco. We should carry this campaign to the other cities as well. We are trying to arrange with our Intel IT branded companies like Intel, HP, LG. They are definitely going to support such a cause and with sponsorship. So we will announce Goinkarachi Konkani Prize. Okay. If you want to listen me too singing in Konkani and my friends, Mr. Paulo, I do not know. Okay, you will find us in different flavors. Okay, not just Hindi. So please hear us on YouTube, and I call upon to give away the Konkani prizes, Mr. Paulo Rodriguez. To give away the Konkani prizes. The first prize I request to announce.
कोंकणी जायते बरें म्हणलें सगल्यांनी आनी तितून परफॉर्मन्स सगळ्यांचो बरो जालो. कोंकणी चड नासली सॉंग्स पूण कॅटेगरीज आमी सेपरेट केले त्या बसत. सो आमी सेकेंड प्रायसान स्टार्ट करता. सेकेंड प्रायज गोज टू
Maria.
Maria. Please congratulate. Yeah. Congratulations, Maria. Please come. Second prize goes to Maria. Yeah, please come. Yeah. Good performance, हाँ. वैसे मैंने देखा कि यहाँ पर एक ही जो परफॉर्मर आई थी जो स्टार्ट इन्होंने किया डांस करके गाया यहाँ पर. जोरदार तालियां फिर एक बार मारिया के लिए. और मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू मारिया, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. बहुत ही अच्छा लगा जो हमारे मीनू ने यहाँ पर परफॉर्म किया. हालांकि मीनू इतने क्यूट है की उन्होंने परफॉर्म किया. बरें त्यांनी सॉंग म्हणलें कोंकणी उलयता आनी खंय तरी मातशें मिस जालें आनी त्या पासत मिनून एक जोरदार ताळयांचो येवकार. या मिनू कीप इट अप. बरें म्हणलें आनी खंय तरी तुका अशें दिसलें हांव मातसो चुकलो न्हू. सारकें मरे हय. त्या पासत हो फर्स्ट प्राइज वयता प्रिया. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. कोंकणी प्राइज गोज टू प्रिया. हो प्राइज कोंकणी प्राइज. या ना तू अशें मदें या प्राइज तूं दिस. जोरदार तालियां फिर एक बार होनी चाहिए प्रिया के लिए जिन्होंने कोंकणी बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त गीत यहाँ पर गाया. हेलो वाव. सो ये कोंकणी प्राइज थे. और सगळ्यांनी इतलें बेस्ट म्हणलें की आमकां जज करपाक खूब टफ जालें आनी आमी चिंतलें की इंग्लीश आनी हिंदी कॅटेगरी सेपरेट करुया. सो आमी फेर्नांडीस बाबा कडेन डिस्कस केला आनी फेर्नांडीस बाबान सांगलें की डोंट वरी आपण प्राइज दिवपाक भिना. लेट देम हॅपी. सगळ्यांनी हॅपी जावं दी. त्या पासत तुमी कोंकणी कॅटेगरी इंग्लीश कॅटेगरी सेपरेट करुया आनी सेपरेट आमी प्राइज दिवया. सो आमी इंग्लीश प्राइज अनाउंस करता. सो 2 प्राइज आमचे कडेन आहा इंग्लीश प्राइज एंड सेकंड प्राइज गोज टू
Cicero.
Fernandez. Give me a round of applause to him. Come on, Cicero. Yeah. Very good.
I request, I think we should give opportunity to somebody from the audience to give away the prizes. I request one senior, Mr. Priya's dad. Okay. He is a very devotional person. Whenever I used to go to church, I see him praying a lot, and perhaps he has prayed for me as well.
Yeah, second prize. Second prize goes to Cicero Fernandez. Yeah. Congratulations, Cicero. Yeah. Thank you. So,
Now, please don't believe that Mr. Simon Fernandez is giving all the prizes to Fernandez. I have not been involved in any of the decisions. These are the judges. Okay.
yeah, नहीं वो नहीं दिखा. सो इंग्लिशान आमी दोनूच प्राइज थरयले आसा. त्या वसात कितें जालां तिगूय बरें आर्टिस्ट आसलेलीं. तिनूय बरी म्हणली आनी खंय तरी एकट्याचो परफॉर्मन्स मातसो वीक जालो आनी दोग जाणांचो परफॉर्मन्स सारको भायर ओपनली येयलो. अशें करून खुल के जिनका परफॉर्मन्स आया वो है फर्स्ट प्राइज विनर्स गोज टू
Tracy.
ट्रेसी. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए इनके लिए क्योंकि इनका एकदम खुल के प्राइज था. और वो मैडम ने भी बहुत अच्छा गाया. दैट अ गुड सॉन्ग बट परफॉर्मन्स मातसो डल जालो. त्या पासत प्राइज आमचे ट्रेसीक बायक मेळटा. सो डोंट फील बैड. ओके. ये अंत नहीं है, ये शुरुआत है जिसे हम कहना चाहेंगे. फर्स्ट प्राइज इंग्लिश में जाता है ट्रेसी. जोरदार तालियां. कांग्रेचुलेशन ट्रेसी. या बहुत बढ़िया बहुत बढ़िया. यस थैंक यू ट्रेसी. थैंक यू बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. अब बारी आती है हिंदी की. सर उससे पहले
Well, there were quite many people who saying, you are a Catholic, how come you are singing Hindi songs? Okay. I said, I am an Indian first, then a Goan, then a Catholic, then a Hindu, then a Muslim, everything all in one. Because this is our principle. in the field of education that we are in for the last 16 years, we have been educating our students that your nationality should be given the first preference. Okay, you are the son or the daughter of your motherland on whose land you are living, earning your daily bread. And it is our duty, even if I earn 10 rupees, at least 1 rupee should go to the service of my community, irrespective of whatever we do. And this is a message that has to go across. Each one has been given wonderful talents, which were all hidden. And via such kind of programs, we find that these talents are brought into focus. Okay, they are bloomed and they get given an opportunity to further bloom into beautiful flowers before you say a goodbye to this world. We have lovely luminaries in the recent months who have left a mark in this world. Jagjit Singh, Rajesh Khanna recently, okay, all the Mehdi Hasan, all the wonderful singers have left away. But their legacy lives on, their voice lives on. Kishore Da, of whom I'm a great fan right from my younger days, okay, when I was during my younger days. So that has embedded. I used to love Alfred Rose songs. Even today I hum it. I used to love Jagjit Singh songs. When you feel tired, a Jagjit Singh ghazal can give you a soothing effect to your senses. So this is all. And it was basically this all happened just due to a simple karaoke machine. Okay, that brought out the hidden talent which was there within us. And I said, why not just me? Why just me? Let us take this talent across the oceans. Who knows? We might reach UK, we might reach US, and with such support from such guys, and you guys, okay, I think we are going to rock the world. Like what Tracy said, we are the world, we are the people. Okay, we are the world.